us hear from our judges, starting with Conroy.
Jasmine, I saw most of your energy tonight. You opened your eyes, you kind of performed. You really performed tonight and showed us a little bit. There were some moments that were a little shaky for me, but generally you performed very nicely. It was a strong performance for me, probably the best I've seen in terms of performance on this stage.
Elaine.
Yes, Jasmine, you owned it, you supermodel, alien, extraterrestrial girl, you. Welcome back. Anthony gave you a second chance, and you are grabbing it with all 10 fingers. That's right, girl. That's what we do, we survive. So vocally, it was okay. It could have been stronger in points, but just performance-wise, yes, Jasmine, welcome to the competition, mama.
Anthony.
Thank you for not making me look like a complete idiot, first of all. But I think you're gaining vocally in the competition. I agree with Elaine or whoever said it. This was your best vocal performance thus far. The song played to your strong points. The little drama thing, the kind of that power you bring to the visual elements, how you look and how you reach out to an audience. You did very well. Thank